video, I'm gonna go over this JOYTUTUS kind of like ratcheting strap for the bed of a truck. I have a Ford F-150 here, and check these things out. Here is the ratcheting mechanism right here. What this is a ratchet strap built into a holder all in one. Now I've had these holders right here. This is kind of like an aftermarket holder that I had on there, but the problem is I don't have a strap with it. Well, what JOYTUTUS did, they actually put it an all-in-one system right here, and it mounts up perfect. I just took this one off right here, and then check this out. You can see the holes are lining up perfect. They actually give you a little bit of wiggle room in there. They have their own hardware and everything with it, but I'm just gonna reuse the hardware that I had out of this one. So I'm just gonna run these down in there. I'm gonna use their washers, by the way. And then once we get it all installed, I'll show you guys what it looks like in action. So let's move that aside. So what you're gonna do is just line it up. Now I'm gonna finger start it like this, but you do not wanna cross thread these. I do have some Loctite on these, so they're gonna be a little tough to get in there. I had some Loctite left over from the last one. If you don't have a drill like this, they did give you all the hardware you need to finish it. Now check this out. To make this work, it's in the locking mechanism. Go all the way down, pull that orange right here, go all the way down. Now, it still doesn't come out, so what you want to do is mash that button. That is very smooth operation. And then to go back, pulls itself right back in. As long as you're holding that button, you can get this strap to come out very easy like that. Now it's locked in, it's not going anywhere. So smooth, very smooth operation. Let's try that again. There it is, it's all the way out. Now to unhook it, just like that. You get a hook down here when you want to hook it up and get it out of the way. I like that a lot. It's more kind of compact down in there. You get 3 hooks along the side right here, 3 holes right there, I mean, and then a hook right here for the bottom and a hook right here. So what you'll do, you'll have one on this side and then one on this side, just like that. That's perfect. Yeah, now I'm not gonna go super tight with it, but check out how smooth and easy that was right here. Then when I wanna undo it, just go down. I've got some extra right there if I need to get some slack. That pulls it tight like that. Perfect. Yeah, I don't see any issues with these things at all. I think this is a great addition to anyone with like an F-150 that just wants to have a solid mounting bracket with a ratcheting strap down. So if you're putting your bike in here or some gear or something, you'll have everything you need contained. So yeah, there it is. That's all I got on the JOYTUTUS, ratcheting truck bed straps. See you all in the next video.